So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create collections in Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Shopify admin panel. You can see home, orders, products, customers, marketing, discounts, stuff like that. You can also then go to products since your collections are going to be linked with your product. So you can see here collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards. Go to collections. On collections, you can see the option create a collection. Right now, you can maybe see some example that they've added, but if you want to add your own, click on create collections. On there, you can just type in something. You can see there's some example like best picks, and on there you can describe the collection. So give it something that will best describe it. You can see the collection type. You can use it as manual. You can also use it as a smart. So existing and future products that match the conditions you set will automatically be added to this collection. That's great if you have a lot of products and you don't want to do it manually, and it's quite easy to determine which products are going to be in a collection. If it's manageable for you, you should go to manual because it's much more safe that the products you want will end up in that collection. You can also search for products. You can add products to here, and you can see here search engine listing. So it will look something like this when you set it up. And once you're done with that, just click on save to create your collection. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.